welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to create these really cute kawaii French poly gel nails. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So first thing off, you guys, I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to every single one of you. You guys are my dear friends, and I appreciate you guys so much. You guys really mean the world to me. So I'm so thankful and appreciative for every single one of you here. I have loved being here on YouTube, and the YouTube nail community is really so kind, so supportive, so sweet. So I really do appreciate every single one of you, and I just wanted to take this time to thank every single one of you. And that being said, we are so close, you guys, to 1,000. I cannot wait for the giveaway. There's going to be so much stuff in there. So if you guys could please share this video, let people know about my channel so that we can get there. We are about 30 or 20 away from 1,000. So I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you. And we are almost there. So I'm so excited. So getting right into this video. Today we are going to be doing a super cute kawaii poly gel French nail set. These are going to be square nails. These tips, I believe I got them from Amazon. These are square nail tips. They are about a medium to long length. I think they're pretty wearable. They're not super long, and they have a little bit of a curve in them, but not horrible. I usually don't like curved nails, but these just have the slightest curve. So I am going in with this new primer. You guys, I have been super enjoying this tack from Light Elegance, and what I like about it is it takes out that step of having to buff the nail tip where it meets your nail. You know, sometimes you get that ridge there, so this melts that area. So you put it on your nail and the nail tip, and it has acetone in it, so it melts that plastic, so you have a perfect transition, a flawless, seamless transition from your nail plate to the nail tip. So I really love this. I believe you can get it from Skyline Beauty without a license if you guys are interested. So I am doing this to all my nails, and then this calls for a 30-second cure in the lamp. Now, I struggled with these, you guys. I am so much better at polygel now, but this was one of my second times using polygel, and boy did I struggle. I kept in some of the struggling for you guys so that you guys could see. I think that my problem was, first of all, I used way too much polygel. So use less than what you think you would need is something. If I would tell myself I would do this again, use less. You don't need to use that much base gel. If you are using base gel as your slip solution, seriously, you need the smallest amount. I put way too much, and it was seeping into my cuticle area and running all over the place and really hard to work with. So I think polygel is easier to work with if it's on the stiffer side. And this is the To Be Glam Poly Gel Kit. This is the Take Me Home Poly Gel Kit. It comes with a lamp, a base gel, a top gel, and 4 poly gels, 2 glitters and 2 matte colors. So I am using this really pretty color. I forgot the name of it, but it is a really nice pinky shade, pinky neutral shade. It's more on the nude side. So yeah, the polygel was just too runny, and I was having trouble getting that smile line down, and it was running into my cuticles, and I used way too much. So I transferred over some onto the first finger. So yeah, definitely I use this polygel again. I think it works better with a little bit of rubbing alcohol as your slip solution instead of base gel. I've seen people use base gel before, and I guess I just didn't gauge the amount of base gel that they used. I put way too much. Like, I literally coated it in base gel. You guys see? Too much. Don't use that much. Use like a dot if you are doing this, and then go back and more if it gets sticky. But I have used this before to infill my acrylic nails, which I will have a video on that coming up, and it worked super well and super quick, but I just used rubbing alcohol instead of base gel, and that worked so much easier. So I recommend doing that. Yeah, and then another thing, you guys, I don't know why when I came to file these, it was like, how do I explain it, patchy. So I ended up having to go over, the smile line area with a gel polish, which super frustrated me. And I was so irritated, and yeah. So let me know if you guys have run into this problem before. Any of you who are experienced with poly gel or use it a lot. I usually use acrylic, so I'm not that experienced with it. Again, this was my own second time really working with it. Like the first time I did dual forms, and that was much easier. So let me know. I don't know, it was just patchy, like especially in the cuticle area, and I think I used way too much, but sorry guys, my dog's here in the background. So just let me know how you guys do it. I would love to know. So yeah, you guys see me struggling here. But they ended up coming out really, really cute. I just ended up having to use some gel polish I used some Born Pretty gel polish for the nail bed area. And then, yeah, after that, it was okay. But yeah, I kept this in so you guys could see it was getting better as I went along on the nails. But again, I think I just used too much poly gel, too much base gel. It was sticky and slippery and not going as I wanted it to go. But I wanted to keep this in so you guys could see. Yeah, the nails came out super, super cute though. I didn't show it on camera, but I ended up adding this super adorable Hello Kitty charm that I got from, you hear me clacking my nails in the background, that I got from AliExpress. It is so, so cute. And then I added some pointy back crystals and a rose. And then on the ring finger, I added some more pointy back crystals and a large pink stone. So these were super kawaii, super cute, super pink and girly, fun for spring. Yeah, these are polygel Frenchies I am trying. These were not perfect by any means. I had issues, I struggled, but that's okay, you guys. Sometimes that happens. And honestly, I absolutely love the end result. I'm just about to redo these and infill them. They had been on for about 2-3 weeks, and let me tell you, they kept on strong. I don't have any lifting. So I am pretty happy about that. And these tips, guys, are awesome. I didn't have to file too much. They were super, super crisp shape. So I love that. So we are going on here into finishing up the pinky. No, I didn't cure these in between. That is something really cool with poly gel. Like, it stays in place if you don't put too much base gel like me, because then it becomes slippery and it floods the cuticle and all that stuff. But if you don't do that and you use the right amount of slip solution or base gel, you really can do 4 fingers and wait to cure them until you're done with your pinky. Or you can just flash cure them in between. So I'm finishing up this pinky nail, and then I didn't get to show the filing because I told you guys that was a bit of a mess. They were bulky. I had to file a lot on that nail bed area, and then it ended up being patchy, and then I had to go over the nail bed area with the gel polish. So I didn't show that step, but I will show you guys when I am ready to do the around the French areas. I use this beautiful color from AliExpress. It is a platinum gel. It is like hot pink, glittery, magenta, really, really cool potted gel, and I use that around the smile line, and yeah, it was super, super cute. And then I also used some hearts, some loose hearts on the ring finger, and yeah, you guys are gonna see that right now. Okay, you guys, so this is after I filed, and can you guys see like the patchiness that the poly gel left? I don't know why that happened after I filed. I'm thinking maybe like you need to cap this with clear poly gel, but I don't think that that's the reason. I don't know why, but it could be because I mixed it with too much base gel and the color separated a little bit, but that's okay. After I did this part, I did go in and cover the entire nail bed area with I ended up filing all this off, to be honest, and then I covered the nail bed area with a Born Pretty pink gel polish, and then I went back and did the same process. So I did the same exact thing. So what I did is I went with these platinum gel liners, a liner brush, I ran around the smile line, and then I applied base gel on the tip area, and then I went in with this really pretty pink glitter. I put that right into the wet base gel uncured, and it gave it a really, really pretty effect. yeah, so I'm just doing this to the nail. I flash cure that in my lamp, and then I'm moving on to the next nail. So here I'm going in with this Vanillisa painting gel. I don't know, you guys, I found it kind of sticky. Let me know if you guys have this and you find the same thing. This is the painting gel, the color gel, Vanillisa. And then I moved to the mud gel, and I just really didn't like the consistency, at least not for this. Yeah, I am now a Madam Glam representative. So they gave me a 30% off link that I will share with you guys in this video. I will put it in my description box. I do have a video coming up of a lovely introductory kit that they gave me. And let me tell you guys, their gel polishes, I have it coming up in another video, are awesome, super pigmented, one coat coverage. They are HEMA free, which is something that you guys know I always look for, because I personally don't have nail allergies, but I'm not looking to get nail allergies. So HEMA is an ingredient that a lot of people are highly allergic to, and it's found in tons of nail ingredients. So the fact that they're HEMA free is awesome. They're affordable. They're 21 free. They're vegan. They're cruelty free, so I highly recommend you guys check them out. Their colors are super, super opaque. I did get a white from them, and I should have used that here, and I didn't, and I'm pissed that I didn't. But if you guys want to check out some of their gel polishes, I will link my code for 30% off, which is an awesome deal, in the description box. So what I did here, you guys, is I finished off with the white French, and then I'm going to flash cure each time. When I flash cure, I think I did for like 15 to 30 seconds. So here I'm trying a different technique in getting that white on, right? I took that, I just didn't like it. So I use a gel brush, and it's still kind of streaky and patchy, and I just didn't like it. I told you guys I struggled with these nails, but in the end they turned out super cute. These polygel kawaii French nails. So yeah, I struggled with this, you guys. It just was not going my way. I think it was patchy and I didn't like it, but the end result I did like. So these are super kawaii and cute and adorable and pink, and I love the end result. That shape is so crisp. So I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.